Until last week, me a video say problems are facing in Ghana 90% of the time. And a course. Fine. There are some situations our government and but then the limited resources now you want to send mission yeah and problems at time be a facing and stop it yet, but and so better drastically because I didn't see an demolition exercise. Kumasi Adum because I don't know when you know unya kwampo no afem tie ba se bi emergency bi bana se jebi to ba bia fire service for kan ntimi mpo nya place mpo no mafa ana KMA ne nkrofo edi machines akoso mo kakuri demolition exercise this time around they are not just saying so mon tiasi o omo totobo physical mo totobo bo KMA ne task force ni na asem no ni nchie mu pa ne se ekoje sha na so na ahwe ncho de relax ni story enti so ba piem Kumasi Adum Kumasi Adum kejetia one of the places are ye didwa kese pa Kumasi. Now the problem is adwadifo no omodoso chain place no available no nti obu ha onya small place bi ano abobo ne kiosk bi ahwo onya small place no abobo ne kiosk bi ahwo nti no ehoye highly congested say opese wo from ntimi from this nipa na betimi squeeze hu awuram ba se car pa de be ni so betimi awuram. That is one problem. The other thing is obu onso so ha enye se ni stock kene wo omo ankasa mu da ho because ebi mpa na ne shop e was outside ho anopa pa homache so mo ba adwuma okọ atire na sa wo ba homache a obechi nko ba hia rubber and that's bibisa. So they most of them no they prefer say na omepe wooden a house bi na omushim then na papa omatima sori aha akodidwa. That is what is happening there. Because of that Adum kejetia ni blue light ni that places no most of the time ejato ha the pass fire service so betime reach ho. This said the be anu here and the one inside you see bubu stores be answer na fire service for wetimi akọ. So it is a major problem there. And I came as na this time around you be taking action enye first time we in fact o must start o taking action o Kumasi KMA o must start action o Kumasi nyina best 2 weeks ago crampo no mko pie mu Santase one about mo koko demolition ma me bi store na esikwan ho eka kwan no ho ana aban no so na adwen se obebie kwan nim se na bia traffic na dade nka so bete enti wo store ni sikwan ho na era be demolition store no ote ho na te se o care se o ma be demolition structures no. Na eneno place same way see no Asafo Overpass no ana say you bit match say COCOBOD dan na e Adum no COCOBOD dan na chi hwa to see the thing clearly no COCOBOD dan ni we see no COCOBOD dan now ohwe COCOBOD dan na chi ha say na eho ni nyina ye kiosk ketengeten nkofu fi omodi wooden eyi na aye na do place na si aye no se ka pese ofa ho aka kese untimi mfa ho enti time bia se emergency bia ba ho a the problem ene beba enu nti ene ne KMA ene ne nkrofo mo ye se ni o me ho akọ demolish those structures nse na be ya ekwan na ye se dem for residents no ebetimi adam kama. In fact ashase ene de omotimi demolish bia fine man face problem bia. But then they do baby no na akwa chaotic ama residents no mo no o ma fa bo ene niema no mpese o mo de tobro soldiers ne task force no o mo mpene emma sa demolition exercise no emma so. But then what is confusing I can say there was a video bia na man bi o chim say KMA mama near that say bibia ni kwampa bia date we na say date we ba demolition ya ma wa ha KMA mama me ka hwe anchiro mo da
I'm over free. I'm going to go. I'm going to go. I'm going to go. And I talk about
now me try answer my research as to say KMA COCOBOD mama near earlier and also mama near but me information be asa probably because even if some COCOBOD mama near mpa omo nya ho let them from to social media be local so omo try KMA no nko an bit ma be clarify but up to now KMA me clarify asem but ade ba kwa man study was animal one say we are waka say KMA ama me mama near bia no I've seen a lot of videos eno de omo be demolish structures no more prior notice. Unya this evidence in a banner for your story now be okay. Fine, where the camera be catch the best and can my time kakra. Nanke they prepare. More time so we are they will get a different excuse. I wasn't come because you say your tea ni she ni ma ana insensem bebre. But me go so am here research menya official notice say ampampa KMA COCOBOD mama near ana o menti ana say KMA anka hwe anchron. But won say enema bi wo ha one can't jump. I want him say place now when you can say whatna ho. See I met ma ha kosimi dan sinsuom. Won say bibi san say obi na be catch them say say me sin ho. Say me ya me hu say na. Say me ye no ho. But anyways, me go show am say menya proper note just say KMA COCOBOD bibi sa achro but I'm so sure because most of these exercises no me no. Obi ntimi ntra na fuel start no afa machines ha ko bubu nkofo dan sa. O ni pa onim say ebeye ya. Enti most of the time obema opera notice answer. But they are saying say na notice biyama. But honestly, any mwa if they give them prior notice because Ramsar sites Sakomono, Omon Kokosi Diohono, they were aware of it. Omunim na the problem is a hono as I say boarding into Kokosi Okokoto as I see own so no buff and you know when a bet na hon to a better not or the ama into one about better and one about suffer the consequences. 29th June they flat at the end of the day a bar obi a na ebi ana onka ho obi ebi onko kosini dan sinsuom obi a ebi onfa rubbish nkonkoto gatem ono na ebi enso no be fa ne de nakọ at the end of the day innocent lives will be lost. And you know, to be on the safer side, it is always better say you better prevention even if say na ebe obi ya. I think say we should educate the people say na adena yen for our own good nti na yen ti wa bubu dan ya yes aban pe wa asem bia asem educate you na so moti as I think say ebe boa. What do you think about it, Meso? So bet your dream or comment section as your mama.